and I am here with the Associate Director of Flip Developers, Mr. Wajiruddin. And I must tell you that it has been such a phenomenal experience with Flip Developers, and we've had such an amazing journey. We started on 23rd at Al Khobar, then we moved to Riyadh on 24th, and today, 25th, we are here in Jeddah. And the people of Saudi Arabia, they have been so warm, supportive to us, and these three events have been magnificent, not just when it comes to sharing information, sharing thoughts and views, but also sales point of view, it has been fabulous. And now I request Mr. Wajiruddin to give us his insights on how it has been an experience for him.
Yes, as you said, Sharon, Alhamdulillah, the three locations what we had experienced was truly overwhelming. The love and support what we had from our people who had been attending from RSVPs, and this is what we had perceived. This was what we had working on in Hyderabad, that inshallah we would visit, we would meet them in person, we would just showcase our investment opportunities, and we are glad we came out with positive results, and hopefully inshallah have many more events like this, not only in Saudi Arabia but all across the globe, and increase the Flip family via investments.
And I should also add that what I have observed here, as you can say as an outsider or as an MC, as a presenter, as a third party, what I've seen is they are not just coming here and selling deals, they are talking about what real estate is all about, where to invest, how much to invest, what to invest, how your exit plans should be. So I've learned so much as an individual, and I think this is very much important, because when it comes to real estate, not everybody can give such advices, and people would like to hold back the information. But here they are, they just want to give it away, let people create that awareness among people. So that is something very, very valuable that I have learned from them, and I would like to also share. So hats off to Flip Developers for being so transparent, so honest, and so supportive for the community.
Thanks, Sharon. I must thank you as well for your patience. You have been a great valued support, and we look forward, inshallah, to have these type of events both for the community and society as well. Thank you.
Thank you.